Okay, boys and girls, so today we're going to take a look at equivalent fractions. And our question today is 3/4 equivalent to 6/8? So like we did in our small groups when we were using the manipulatives and we were comparing fractions to see if they were equal or less than or greater than. We can also, if we don't have manipulatives, we can also use factors to multiply to see if they're equivalent. So let's go ahead and take a look. We have 3/4 is equal to 6/8. Is that a true statement? Well, taking a look at the fraction 3/4 and 6/8, the question becomes, is there a factor that you can multiply 3/4, 3 and 4 by, same factor, 3 and 4 by, to see if it will give you the numerator denominator 6/8? So taking a look, I know that I can multiply 3 times 2, and that would give me 6. Now the question becomes, can I take that same factor of 2 and multiply it by the denominator 4 and get 8? Yes, I can. 4 times 2 is 8. So yes, this is a true statement. 6 times, or 3/4 is equal to 6/8. In your book on page 518, there's a great example that shows you using fraction strips how these two can be applied. That if you have fours, can they be divided into equal parts of 8? Yes, fours can be divided into 8s. And to give you an example, let's take a look here. I changed the color so that I can divide my 4 equal parts into 8s. Now I have 8s. So taking a look at this same fraction, 3/4 and 6/8, can I use division to find out if these fractions are equal? Yes, I can. 6 can be divided by 3 and make equal groups of 2. Or I'm sorry, 6 can be divided by 2 to make equal groups of 3. 8 can also be divided by 2 to make equal groups of 4. So yes, this is a true statement again. 3/4 is equal to 6/8. And here's an example of using multiplication and division to determine if two fractions can be, or if two fractions are equivalent. You are going to take a look at there's a worksheet that you'll do that you're looking for equivalent fractions, and you can use this method to help you find equivalent fractions.